In this video, we are going to understand Matplotlib. Many learners ask me, they want to learn the Matplotlib in detail. And I always say all the learners to only see this video. And in this video, I'm going to take you into the official website of Matplotlib. If you see this video, your Matplotlib library will be covered actually. Afterwards, you just need to fine tune with the examples. So the website is matplotlib.org. I'm going to click on the examples on this website. Okay, and you can see they have given a beautifully a lot of examples. All kind of plots are available over here. The study from your side is to choose which plot for your application. That is a study required. So suppose you want to go for pie chart, then if you want to compare the market penetration of certain product, then you can go for a pie chart. Then for a bar chart, suppose you want to compare two production, then you can go for a bar chart. Suppose I take one of the chart from this, any random chart. I'm going to take, suppose this chart, horizontal bar chart. They have written a code. You just copy paste this code. Come to your Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab. Just paste it and run it. Your plot is here. Now the interesting part is you could just change your data as per your requirement. Okay. The data which is available to you, you just change it and your plot is ready. So you need to do this a simple process. The code is ready. Your task of study is which plot to which chart to use on what time. So let's take one scatter plot also. This is a scatter plot with a symbol. You just take this, copy paste it. Okay, copy paste it and run it again. When you do it, this process, your plot is ready. Okay, in the live project, when you are working, you're not allowed to copy paste the code this way. This is a study purpose. We can actually do it. So for study purpose, we can take this code, copy paste this code, and use it for a study purpose. But for a live project, do not copy paste this code. Take a logic, try to understand how they have actually made a plot, then change the data and use that code. So I hope the Matplotlib is clear to you.